Good morning, students. Today is 12th August 2020. I'm going to take an English class for you, 10th standard, poem 4, The Ant and the Cricket. Now see the appreciation question on your screen. Fourth question. Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he repay it tomorrow. Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he repay it tomorrow. So first question, what would keep him alive? Grains and shelter from the ant would keep him alive. See the next question. Pick out the rhyming words in the third and fourth line. Borrow, tomorrow. Give more examples of rhyming words from the poem. See, your words are given there. You can write all these words. See question number D. What does the cricket want from the ant? What does the cricket want from the ant? See the two lines, first two lines. Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. The cricket wants shelter and grains. What is the assurance made by the cricket? The cricket assured that if the ant granted shelter and food, he would repay it tomorrow, or you can say in future also. See the last two lines. He wished only to borrow, he repay it tomorrow. So the cricket assured that if the ant granted shelter and food, he would repay it tomorrow or in the future. Pick out the rhyme scheme. Underline the last word of the poetic lines. Rain, grain, borrow, tomorrow. So write that A to grain. Rain, same, it rhymes. Grain, again put A. Borrow, tomorrow. Both rhyme same, so put B. Next, what is rhyming words? Rain, grain, borrow, tomorrow. Now see the fifth question. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow, says the ant to the cricket. I'm your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay anything by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. See here, first question. Why do you think ants neither borrow nor lend? Because they are hard worker and they always plan for the future. So here, work hard and always plan for the future, and so ants neither borrow nor lend. Next question. Who says the but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend? Who says this? To whom? The ant says these lines to the cricket. Who does I refer to in the last line? I refer to the cricket. See here, I'll read the poetic lines again. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow, says the ant to the cricket. I'm your servant and friend. We ants never lend, but tell me, dear cricket, did you lay anything by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not I. Who does I refer to in the last line? There are two I there. See here. See the poetic lines clearly. In third line, there is one I is there. In the last line, that I refers to ant, and the last line I refers to the cricket. What relationship did the ant maintain with the cricket? What is the relationship between the ant and the cricket? See again the line. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. The ant told the cricket that he was the cricket's servant and a friend. Now next question. What did the ant ask the cricket about his savings? So the ant is questioning the cricket. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay anything by? Tell me, dear cricket, did you lay anything by? The ant asked the cricket if the cricket had saved any food when the weather was warm. When the weather was warm. What is the reply of the cricket? See, quoth, not I. So what is the meaning of lay by? Keep for future. What is the meaning of quoth? Quoth means said. Did the cricket save any food for future use? Did the cricket save food for future use? No, the cricket didn't save food for future use. Next question. What will happen to the cricket if the ant doesn't help it? See the first line. What will happen to the cricket if the ant doesn't help it? See the poetic line. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Who says this word? Cricket. If the ant is not willing to help me, he will die of starvation and sorrow. So see here, what will happen to the cricket if the ant doesn't help it? If the ant doesn't help, the cricket must die of starvation and sorrow. Pick out the words that are alliterated. Starvation, sorrow. Now see the next stanza. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you sang. See here? You sang, sir, you say. Question number 1. What was the nature of the cricket? How do you know? See here from the first line. In the first line we itself said yet a silly young cricket spent all his time singing and dancing all whole summer and spring. Here the same thing. The nature of the cricket was enjoy dancing and singing. Next question. Mention the rhyme scheme. Again you have to underline the last word. Light, night, gay, gay, say. Put A first. Light matches to night. Again put A. Gay, gay, say, B, B, B. So answer is A, B, B, B. What did the cricket do day and night? What did the cricket do day and night? See the second line. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. Who is the speaker here? The cricket. What he replies, what he says? I sang day and night. Next question. Who is addressed to sir? Who is addressed to sir? See the last line. You sang, sir, you say. So how tense he is, the ant. And the ant questions the cricket, he is so angry. See what reply he is giving. I sang day and night. My heart was so light. So the ant says, you sang, sir, you say. The cricket is addressed to sir. Who said this to whom? For all nature looked gay. The cricket said this to the ant. Next question. Who asked, "You sang, sir," you say to whom? The ant asked the question to the cricket. Next question. Pick out the rhyming words. Light, night, gay, say. Thank you, students.